Sunday's second day of racing at the Australia Sail Grand Prix was cancelled after high winds destroyed Team Canada's sail in what organizers called a major weather event. Video shared on social media showed workers and spectators running for their lives as the wing sail crashed into a marquee and fell to the ground. SailGP said in a statement that several boats were damaged in the windy conditions, but as far as they were aware, no one was seriously injured. CEO Russell Coutts said what blew through Sydney Harbor after Saturday's racing felt like a hurricane.
Judging by the weather data, it was a pretty extreme event yesterday, meaning that the wind gust that came through